我哋而家開始第6課 Lesson 6。Lesson 6喺第23頁 Page 23。喺呢一課呢，我哋要學去鋪頭或者去百貨公司買嘢嘅時候一啲普通嘅應用會話。嗱，你哋聽一聽阿胡先生 Mr. Wu 同埋售貨員 Clerk 嘅一段對話啦。
May I help you?
Yes, I want a plain shirt.
What size?
Size 16.
These are size 16.
I'll take these.
Cash or charge?
Cash, please.
嗱，你哋再聽一次，呢次呢，我用中文解釋。
May I help you?
我可以幫你嗎？
Yes, I want a plain shirt.
係啦，我想要一件純色嘅男裝恤衫。
What size?
幾多號啊？
Size 16.
16號。
These are size 16.
嗱，呢啲係16號嘅，
I'll take these.
我就要呢幾件啦。
Cash or charge?
係現錢還是係記帳呢？
Cash, please.
現錢。好啦，呢一次呢，你哋就先聽，然後跟住我哋講啦。
May I help you?
Yes, I want a plain shirt.
What size?
Size 16.
These are size 16.
I'll take these.
Cash or charge?
Cash, please.
好啦，跟住落嚟呢段對話呢，就係 Mrs. Lai 黎太太去買嘢嘅。嗱，你哋聽一聽啦。
May I help you?
Yes, please. How much is that blouse?
It's $6.95.
Is it size 10?
Yes, it is.
I'll take it.
Will that be cash or charge?
Charge, please.
好啦，你哋再聽一次，呢次我用中文解釋。
May I help you?
我可以幫你嗎？
Yes, please. How much is that blouse?
係咯，呢件女裝恤衫幾錢啊？
It's $6.95.
6個9毫半。
Is it size 10?
係咪10號呢？
Yes, it is.
冇錯啦，
I'll take it.
我就要呢件啦。
Will that be cash or charge?
係現錢還是係跨帳呢？
Charge, please.
跨帳。好啦，呢一次呢，你哋就先聽，然後跟住講啦。
May I help you?
Yes, please. How much is that blouse?
It's $6.95.
Is it size 10?
Yes, it is.
I'll take it.
Will that be cash or charge?
Charge, please.
嗱，喺呢度呢，我想解釋一下 May I help you 意思就係我可以幫你嘛。呢啲係美國人嘅講法。中國人呢，通常講話你有咩幫襯啊，或者你想買咩呢，意思都係差唔多㗎。嗱，跟住落嚟呢，就係 charge CHARGE 意思呢就係跨帳。普通嚟講喺美國呢有兩種，一種呢就喺銀行申請，一種呢就喺公司或者係電郵站申請嘅。咁樣批准之後呢，佢哋就會發出一張 credit card。CREDIT credit card CARD 即係信用卡。咁你買嘢嘅時候呢，就唔使帶現錢，將呢張 credit card 交俾個售貨員，咁佢哋將嗰張卡嘅號碼、名同埋日期寄上嚟。咁你簽咗名之後呢，就可以將啲嘢帶翻屋企。呢一種呢，就叫做 charge。嗱，跟住落嚟呢，我哋睇一睇英文字嘅由單數至到眾數嘅改變係點樣，同埋發音又有咩唔同呢？嗱，大家可以睇一睇，譬如話 car 係指一架嘅 ，cars 就係指兩架以上噶啦。呢個嘅分別呢，就係加上 s。另外一個呢，就係 dish， 眾數呢，就係 dishes 係加 es 嘅。嗱，大家可以睇一睇23頁底嗰度嗰一堆嘅字，大家留意下發音同埋串法有咩唔同啦？我先講中文嚇。一頂帽
One hat.
兩頂帽
2 hats.
一個袋
One bag.
4個袋
4 bags.
一件女裝恤衫
One blouse.
17件女裝恤衫
17 blouses,
一個窗口，
One window.
32個窗口，
32 windows,
一間教堂，
One church.
7間教堂，
7 churches,
一架的士，
One taxi.
5架的士。
5 taxis.
嗱，當然咧，由單數至到眾數呢，其中有啲特殊嘅變化嘅。嗱，大家可以睇一睇，由拉面數上嚟嘅嗰度有3對字，頭嗰對呢就係 man， 單數係 man， 雙數呢係 men。嗱，你哋聽一聽啦。
Man.
Men,
woman 女人嘅單數呢就係 woman， 眾數呢就係 women。嗱，你哋聽一聽啦，
Woman.
women,
再聽一次。
Woman.
women,
細路啦 child， 眾數呢就變成 children， 後尾呢係加 ren 嘅。你哋聽住啦，
Child.
children,
再一次。
Child.
children.
好啦，而家我哋翻去第24頁 page 24，睇下頁頂嗰啲句子，我哋練習一下發音。嗱，我先講中文，然後呢就英文，你哋跟住講啦。呢個係咩尺碼？
What size is this? What size is this?
呢件男裝恤衫幾錢呢？
How much are these shirts? How much are these shirts?
呢件係唔係7號啊？
Is it size 7? Is it size 7?
呢啲係4個9毫8。
These are $4.98. These are $4.98.
呢啲男裝恤衫係咩尺碼？
What size are these shirts? What size are these shirts?
呢個係幾錢呢？
How much is this? How much is this?
呢件係11號。
This is size 11. This is size 11.
我就要呢件啦。
I'll take it. I'll take it.
我要一件女裝嘅衫裙。
I want a dress. I want a dress.
係現錢還是係誇張呢？
Cash or charge? Cash or charge?
好啦，跟住落嚟呢，喺24頁下半頁嗰部分呢，係分清楚俾你哋睇 these 呢啲同埋 those 嗰啲同埋 they 佢哋嘅唔同嘅用法。嗱，我哋記得以前呢已經學過 this this 呢個 that that 嗰個同埋 it佢。好啦，而家呢，我哋用 hat帽嚟到舉幾個實例啦。如果我哋講呢一頂係帽 ，this is a hat， 嗰一頂係帽 ，that is a hat， 佢係帽 ，it is a hat。喺呢度呢 this、that 同埋 it 嘅動詞呢係 is。咁眾數方面呢，呢啲係帽 ，these are hats， 嗰啲係帽 ，those are hats， 同埋佢哋係帽 ，they are hats。呢幾句嘅動詞呢，就要用 are。好啦，喺前邊我哋已經講過 this、that 同埋 it 嘅分別啦。咁眾數嘅 these、those 同埋 they 嘅分別呢，亦都係一樣嘅。These 係指距離近嘅 ，those 係指距離遠嘅。咁如果你唔需要講關於距離嘅時候呢，就用 they。好似話 they are hats， 佢哋係帽。嗱，跟住落嚟喺24頁 page 24下邊呢有7幅圖畫。咁呢，我先用中文解釋，然後呢，你哋跟住讀2次啦。鞋
Shoes. Shoes.
女裝恤衫。
Blouses. Blouses.
雪糕筒。
Ice cream cones. Ice cream cones.
遮。
Umbrellas. Umbrellas.
波。
Balls. Balls.
報紙。
newspapers, newspapers,
凳。
chairs, chairs.
嗱，而家我哋呢學識咗呢啲英文字啦，我哋要開始做練習。咁如果我問你 What are they？ 或者 What are these？ 或者 What are those？ 咁你哋回答嘅時候呢，當然亦都跟翻問題用 They are、Those are 或者係 These are 嚟到回答啦。嗱，你而家睇住圖片，我哋一個一個咁開始啦。
What are they?
They are shoes.
What are those?
Those are blouses.
What are these?
These are ice cream cones.
What are those?
Those are umbrellas.
What are these?
These are balls.
What are they?
They are newspapers.
What are those?
Those are chairs.
嗱，喺第二課呢，我哋已經學過 What's this？ What's that？ 同埋 What is it？ 呢幾句呢係指問一樣嘢嘅時候用嘅。咁如果問好多樣嘢呢，當然亦都要用翻 What are these？What are those？ 或者係 What are they 嚟到問啦。回答呢，當然亦都係跟翻一樣啦。好，我哋而家就用鋼筆 pen pen 嚟到繼續呢個練習啦。
What's this?
This is a pen.
What's that?
That's a pen.
What is it?
It's a pen.
呢次我哋用眾數啊。
What are these?
These are pens.
What are those?
Those are pens.
What are they?
They are pens.
你哋可以睇一睇25頁中間嗰啲舉例呢，就會更加清楚明白㗎啦。嗱，呢啲問句同埋句子嘅關鍵呢，就係如果係單數嘅時候呢，當然亦都用單數嚟到回答，咁眾數亦都用翻眾數嚟到回答啦。嗱，喺26頁 page 26，我哋而家呢嚟睇一睇兩句話。第一句呢，就係問一件3尺碼嘅大小，另外一句呢，就係問價錢幾多。如果問尺碼大小呢，就應該問
What size is this? What size is this?
如果係14號呢，售貨員就會咁講啦，
This is size 14.
或者係
It's size 14.
咁除咗係幾多號嘅尺碼之外呢，另外呢係有講大碼、中碼、細碼㗎。嗱，你哋跟住嚟啦，細碼、
Small, small,
中碼、
medium, medium,
大碼、
large, large,
特大碼、
extra large, extra large.
extra 係 extra。咁當然問咗尺碼之後呢，就要問價錢嘅。問價錢呢係應該點樣問呢？
How much is this? How much is this?
如果係眾數呢，就係
How much are these? How much are these?
咁如果係4個9毫半呢，就係
They're $4.95. They're $4.95.
如果係2個9毫半呢，就係
They're $2.95. They're $2.95.
或者係3毫9支兩件，
They're 2 for 39 cents. They're 2 for 39 cents.
或者係1蚊18個。
They're 18 for a dollar. They're 18 for a dollar.
好啦，跟住落嚟呢，我哋要做一個練習。嗱，大家睇一睇26頁 page 26下邊啦。嗱，我哋會問呢兩個問題，第一個呢就係問尺碼，第二個呢就係問價錢。譬如話啦，呢件恤衫咩號碼呢？
What size is this shirt?
16號。
It's size 16.
點買呢？
How much is it?
4個9毫9。
It's $4.99.
又譬如話啦，呢啲鞋係咩號碼呢？
What size are these shoes?
10號。
They are size 10.
點買呢？
How much are they?
佢哋係9個9毫半。
They are $9.95.
嗱，喺27頁呢，嗰度有8幅圖畫，我哋先讀一讀啦。鞋、
Shoes. Shoes.
冷衫、
Sweater. Sweater.
短外衣、
Jacket. Jacket.
襪、
Socks. Socks.
褸、
Coat. Coat.
女裝衫、
Dress. Dress.
恤衫、
Shirt. Shirt.
女裝恤衫。
Blouse. Blouse.
嗱，呢個練習呢，好似頭先舉個例一樣嘅。我哋先問尺碼幾大，你哋試下回答，我哋將答案講俾你聽。然後我哋問價錢，你哋試下回答，然後我哋亦都將價錢講俾你聽。而家開始啦。
What size are these shoes?
They are size 6.
How much are they?
They are $4.99.
What size is the sweater?
It's size 38.
How much is it?
It's $10.95.
What size is this jacket?
It's size 14.
How much is it?
It's $14.95.
What size are these socks?
They are size 11.
How much are they?
They are $1.79.
What size is this coat?
It's size 10.
How much is it?
It's $29.95.
What size is this dress?
It's size 8.
How much is it?
It's $12.95.
What size is this shirt?
It's large.
How much is it?
It's $7.99.
What size is this blouse?
It's size 32.
How much is it?
It's $6.95.
嗱，當然咧，呢個係一個練習，大家呢可以參考，唔係個個呢係咁樣問嘅。好啦，去公司買嘢嘅時候呢，有兩句話呢係好實用嘅。嗱，我哋睇一睇頁中間嘅第一句係 I want a shirt， 同埋 I'll take these。Want W-A-N-T 即係想要或者想要買咁嘅意思。Take T-A-K-E 就係指決定咗要啦。好。我哋睇一睇以下嗰啲句子啦，譬如話，我要呢個
I want this. I want this.
我想要一件女裝恤衫。
I want a blouse. I want a blouse.
我想買鞋。
I want shoes. I want shoes.
嗱，我哋繼續，我就要呢件女裝恤衫啦。
I'll take this blouse. I'll take this blouse.
我就要呢啲鞋啦。
I'll take these shoes. I'll take these shoes.
我就買嗰啲啦。
I'll take those. I'll take those.
我就要呢個啦。
I'll take it. I'll take it.
好啦，我哋而家睇睇27頁最下邊嗰段對話啦。嗱，裏頭嗰啲句子呢，你哋剛才已經學識咗㗎啦。咁我哋留心聽一次先。
May I help you?
I want a blouse.
Here you are.
What size is this?
Size 10.
How much is it?
$4.95.
I'll take it.
好啦，呢次呢，我用中文解釋，然後呢，你就跟住我哋每一句讀2次啦。我可以幫你嗎？
May I help you? May I help you?
我想要一件女裝恤衫。
I want a blouse. I want a blouse.
嗱，呢啲係啦，你睇睇啦。
Here you are. Here you are.
呢啲尺碼幾大啊？
What size is this? What size is this?
10號。
Size 10. Size 10.
呢件係幾錢呢？
How much is it? How much is it?
4個9毫半。
$4.95. $4.95.
我就要呢件啦。
I'll take it. I'll take it.
嗱，喺28頁呢 page 28係有好多關於買鞋或者買衫嘅參考資料，你哋睇睇呢就自然會明白噶啦。我哋唔再詳細介紹。跟住呢，喺 page 29 29頁，我哋睇一睇嗰啲生字啦。嗱，以前我哋已經學咗由0至到9嘅，而家我哋繼續由10至到19。
10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19.
喺百貨公司裏頭呢係分門別類嘅，喺呢度我哋介紹賣衣服嗰幾個部門啦。
The department store. The department store. Ladies wear. Ladies wear. Men's wear. Men's wear. Children's wear. Children's wear.
跟住落嚟，我哋溫習一下啲英文字由單數轉到去眾數嘅分別啦。
Boy,
Boys.
girl,
Girls.
chair,
Chairs.
shirt,
Shirts.
blouse,
Blouses.
man,
Men.
woman,
Women.
child,
Children.
有關尺碼嘅
Small. Medium. Large. Extra large.
有關布料或者衣服嘅顏色同埋花紋嘅講法。
Plain. Plain. Plaid. Plaid. Striped. Striped. Print. Print. Colored. Colored.
我哋再嚟溫習一下男女裝衣服嘅簡單分類啦。
blouse, shirt, sweater, shoes, jacket, coat, dress, socks.
而家翻去第30頁 page 30，我哋睇一睇嗰啲有用句子 useful phrases。嗱，我哋想再溫習一下問尺碼同埋問價錢兩種。首先我哋就問尺碼啦。
What size is this? What size is that? What size is this shirt? What size are these? What size are those? What size are those shirts?
This is size 10. Size 10. It's size 10.
Is this size 10?
係呢？
Yes, it is.
唔係呢？
No, it isn't.
Is it size 10?
眾數嘅問句啦。
Are these size 10?
回答啦，係呢？
Yes, they are.
唔係呢？
No, they're not.
跟住落嚟呢啲呢，係問關於價錢，同埋或者關於價錢嘅句子。
How much is it? How much are these? How much are those? How much is this? How much is that?
These are $4.98. Those are $4.98. This is $4.98. That is $4.98. It's $4.98. $4.98. 2 for 39 cents.
I'll take it. I'll take this. I'll take that. I'll take these. I'll take those. I want a shirt. I want shirts.
Cash. Charge. Cash or charge? Will that be cash or charge?
Dollars. Cents.
好啦，你喺公司買嘢呢，售貨員會咁問你㗎，
May I help you?
或者係
Can I help you?
如果你有嘢買呢，就講
Yes, please.
然後講俾人聽你想買乜嘢。如果唔想買呢，就可以講
No thanks.
或者係
No thanks. I'm just looking.
Lesson 6第6課就係呢度結束啦。